The Allure of the Seas is back, and it's better than ever. This Oasis-class ship has just been updated with refreshed cabins, new dining areas, faster Wi-Fi, and more. And the best part? It's sailing regularly from Barcelona in 2025. So if you're planning a cruise or just curious about one of Royal Caribbean's most iconic ships, stay with me, because I'll show you what's new, where it sails, and how to enjoy it like a pro. Let's start with the basics. Allure of the Seas is a true floating city. Over 360 meters long, with more than 6,000 guests on board, it's one of the largest cruise ships ever built. But don't worry, it's cleverly divided into neighborhoods. The boardwalk, the Royal Promenade, the pool and sports zone, and the surprising Central Park, an open-air garden with real trees. There's also a carousel, a zip line, an ice rink, mini golf, and the incredible aqua theater. No matter your age or mood, you'll never run out of things to do. Now let's talk about what's new on board. Although the full amplification plan was delayed, Allure has received several upgrades: new carpeting and refreshed cabins, a redesigned pool area, enhanced Wi-Fi with Voom, the fastest at sea, and some new dining options. Everything feels cleaner, more modern, and easier to navigate. And what about the itinerary? This summer, Allure of the Seas is offering 7-night Western Mediterranean cruises, round-trip from Barcelona. The usual route includes Palma de Mallorca, Florence or Pisa via La Spezia, Rome from the port of Civitavecchia, Naples, and Marseille in Provence. It's a perfect mix of culture and Catalan and Italian food. If you're cruising from Barcelona, embarkation is smooth. Just make sure your luggage tags are printed and the Royal Caribbean app is ready. And by the way, if you want to get to the city center fast, don't miss my video about the Barcelona cruise shuttle. It shows you exactly how to do it. And before I give you my top 3 insider tips, a quick reminder: if you enjoy this kind of content, consider subscribing. I also have videos about the Jewel of the Seas, Serenade, and many more cruise ships from Barcelona. Now, let's get into my top tips. Tip number 1. Book your aqua theater and ice shows early using the app. They fill up quickly, especially on sea days. Tip number 2. Want a peaceful spot during the day? Central Park around 4 p.m. is quiet, shaded, and great for a drink or just relaxing. Tip number 3. Avoid buffet rush hours. Try going early or late, or check the Solarium Bistro. It's quieter and has healthier options. So, are you sailing on the Allure this year? Let me know in the comments where you're going and which part of the ship you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and see you on board.